The next product that I'm going to be discussing with you guys and showing you is what we refer to as the Uniclamp cube. Now, this is a true game changer. It changes the way that we have to do installations moving forward. Now, to illustrate that, typically we would have a double threaded rod carrying a uni-strut, and then on the uni-strut we would have piping, cabling, a cable tray. That's pretty much how it gets used. Now, we do understand that in certain parts of the world and even certain states of America, cable trays are frowned upon because of course they become ladders and nesting places for rodents, and that leads to fire hazards. So in many parts of the world it is recommended that your electrical run in conduit. Now, in the cube that we're discussing now, you'll see that all starts to make sense. So now let's trim down your heavy infrastructure. Instead of using multiple threaded rods with uni-strut, with cable tray, you have a single threaded rod. And your cube can mount in a variety of different ways depending on how you want your piping or cabling or conduit to run. Simply put the cube onto the threaded rod and every cube gets held securely in place by the nut, and there you go. That's how quick your installation was. But not only this, remember, on a 1/2 meter or a meter threaded rod, you can install multiple cubes to carry multiple lines. No longer moving and looking into a building and seeing multiple lines of infrastructure running, complete waste of time and energy, money. So now, once you've got your cube in place, all you do is take your Uniclamp, turn it into place, and there you have multiple lines running off the same cube. So imagine your fire lines running off the cube on top, then your electrical, and then your wet lines. You can run hot, cold, you can run absolutely everything off the cube like this, and even your electrical safely protected inside conduit. No rat, no rust, no rattling, and really game changing. Uniclamp cube. Right, we have shown you guys the cube with the piping sitting on the side. You can of course install it in such a way that your heaviest line, typically your civil waste line, runs right at the bottom. Now the beautiful thing is you need a slight gradient in some of these lines, and of course to adjust the height of the cube, simple as giving it a couple of turns. That's how quick your installation is to create a gentle slope on your waste lines that need that slight gradient.